Hey guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 26th. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, I hope you are voting. Guys, there's a lot of things that is going on social media. I see a lot of celebrities are campaigning for Liam, which is a good thing. I mean, they know the Liam, they've been in the same space with Liam. You cannot blame Semizi for campaigning for Liam, guys. It's a good thing. At the end of the day, he has a right to choose which housemate he wants to win the 2 million rand. Also, I've seen Bravo B president, influencers and artists, they are also campaigning for Bravo B, which is a good thing. I love this for Bravo B, guys. So when it comes to Thandeka, I've seen a few influencers, all the housemate campaigning for Thandeka. Even McG, he mentioned on his podcast to say he see Thandeka taking the 2 million rand and Sol Penduka, guys. We're talking about Thandeka, and people are not happy to say he's one of the sponsors. He should not talk about what's happening in that house. At the end of the day, it is what it is. Even last day, he was talking about Sid Gulova. We like it or not, he's going to talk about it at the end of the day. That's McG, guys. There's nothing we can do. So when it comes to TQ, I've seen also Luyanda. I'm not sure when it comes to Luyanda, is campaigning for both Liema and Q, guys. What is going on there? But when it comes to Mandisa, he made it clear he's campaigning for Q, guys. And yesterday, Q won the HOH, guys, the head of house. So finally, congratulations to Q. I am so happy for Q, honestly speaking. When it comes to Didi, Tracy, I don't know what is going on there, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna say because I just feel like, oh my god, they don't have a strong alliance outside. But I wish them nothing there. Anyway, guys, let's get to start of today. So, Odidi and Liema had a discussion earlier regarding the top 2. Odidi asked Liema how would she feel if she and Thandeka were top 2. Liema responded by saying that Thandeka could never be in top 2. As she put it, trust me, baby, Thandeka can never be in top 2. Liam had also shared a similar opinion with Ashe, stating that Thandeka could never make it to top 5, but here we are today. Don't blame Liema for undermining Thandeka, guys. First of all, she doesn't know what is happening outside. We cannot blame Liema. We cannot actually blame all the housemates what they are saying about Thandeka, or Thandeka what she's saying about Tracy saying about Liema, guys. If they don't know, all of them, they're going to be shocked. I cannot wait to see interview Meli and Ashe today, guys, especially for Ashe. I want to find out how it's feeling to see what is happening outside, especially for Thandeka, guys, and Liema, that he feel like he's being betrayed by Liam. One thing about Liema, guys, she has a lot to say. So this is what she has to say about Umeli, guys. She was having a conversation with Q. I'm thinking about Meli ate a whole onion. They didn't vote for him. Well, I don't think it's like that. They didn't vote. They tried. It was just a rough week. Q was like, everyone that was up was strong. So it's not that people didn't vote. It was not enough. I think one thing what you guys, he's very smart when it comes to responding. Even when he has a conversation, no Thandeka, no Bravo B, no Tracy, no Didi, you can tell that he doesn't like to gossip a lot, guys. But yesterday, after winning the HOH, he was talking to Thandeka to say, yo, Liema wanted me to pick Tracy. Imagine so, guys. And they were laughing with Thandeka, and people are saying, what's the no Q9 uya gossipa, guys. So when it comes to Liema, guys, I feel like he's just confusing everyone in that house. It's just creating drama for everyone, guys. So it is what it is. It's time in the comment section. What do you think about it? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment.